Have you ever wanted to give your kids a little financial freedom while keeping an eye on their spending? Today we are diving into how to set up Apple Cash Family in 2025. This feature is perfect for all families using Apple devices, allowing you to manage your children's money easily and securely. Let's get started. Before you jump in, ensure you meet these requirements. You must be the family organizer and have family sharing setup. At least one family member must be under 18. All devices should be compatible and updated to the latest iOS, iPad OS, or Watch OS. Each family member needs to sign in to iCloud and enable two-factor authentication. Open Settings. On the Family Organizer iPhone, launches the Settings app. Select your Apple ID, tap your name at the top of the screen. Go to Family Sharing. Tap on Family Sharing. Choose Apple Cash. Scroll down and select Apple Cash. Select a child. Pick the child you want to set up Apple Cash for. Follow prompts. Tap on Set up Apple Cash and follow the prompts to complete the setup. You may need to verify your identity. Managing transactions. Once everything is set up, managing your child Apple Cash is straightforward. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the ellipsis icon in the top right corner. Select your child's name to view their balance, send money, or lock their account. You can also set up transaction alerts so you're always in the loop. Setting up Apple Cash Family not only helps kids learn about managing money, but also gives parents peace of mind. With features like transaction limits and notifications, you can ensure that their financial experience is safe and educational. So why wait? Get started today and empower your children with financial responsibility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks.